My YouTube Money Secrets training students are actually making $100 every single day, at the very least, right? And I'm going to be showing you 5 of my students. I'm going to be showing you their YouTube channels and exactly what they are doing and how they are succeeding, right? Okay, so no preambles, let's jump right in. The first person we're going to be talking about is MVG Auto Hustle. Now, this YouTube channel is owned by Abayomi. Abayomi attended my YouTube Money Secrets training on Zoom in February. The last one last month, he was there again because he said that Gerald, it had been mind-blowing and I felt like there's something new to learn every time I attend your training. So he paid and attended my training again last month. And this is a YouTube channel right here. Abayomi now has 1,009 subscribers with 43 videos. Now he came to my training and he told me that he sells cars, right? And what I did was guide him on how to actually start creating content around his car business. Abayomi is making money on YouTube. He also make money selling cars because there's something that he does in his video. In every video right here, Abayomi puts his phone number and his office address so you can contact him to buy the cars that he's actually promoting, right? And of course others. This is actually a very strategic way to promote your own business, whatever it is that you sell. What he has done is that he has positioned himself as a force to be reckoned with when it comes to selling cars in Ibadan. So anybody that goes online that wants to buy cars in Ibadan, see this video and they know, okay, this guy is very credible. Now he's making a lot of sales that he didn't used to make before he attended that training. So beyond the YouTube ad revenue, which has actually been monetized and he's making money right now, he's also getting money from selling his cars. Now his biggest content right here is 32,000 views, 11,000 views, his second biggest, 8,000 views, and so he's right here. His pictures are right here in all of his thumbnails, right? And one of the things that I taught in that training is how to actually create killer thumbnails and how to actually make killer videos. And of course, Abayomi is succeeding using this particular format. Now, the second person we're going to be looking at is my boy that I am very well pleased with, which is Diamond right here. Diamond got monetized recently. He makes crypto content on YouTube. He got monetized recently, and beyond this, the last conversation I had with Diamond, he told me that he was making 4 figures, very high ranking 4 figures in dollars every single month with this particular channel, everything around this channel, and it's not from ad revenue, from other sources of making money on YouTube. Now, people don't understand this thing, but there's like 10 ways to make money on YouTube apart from the ad revenue. Right? There's a whole lot of things that you can do, and this is one of the things that I teach in my YouTube Money Secrets training. Now, this is a video he made with Jeffrey Benson, where he said, shout out to my boss Gerald Ume. He was basically just saying thank you to me, for everything. I met that Diamond is actually a very special person. I met him during my training in 2021. He contacted me that he wants to volunteer for that training. He volunteered. He was helping us buy food, doing those sort of things. After the training, he kept to work with me. There was also much he was doing for me, but he came to work with me, and I kept guiding him and teaching him until that. I am so proud of Diamond. Diamond is a big boy, and I'm so proud of him. So, and of course, he's mingling with Jeffrey Benson and the top players in the crypto world. And this video was actually shot in my office, as you guys can see right here. He shot this right here when I had the red background, the flower vase and stuff right here. This also was shot right here in my office, and of course a couple of his videos. So Diamond is one of my students that I'm actually very well pleased and very proud of, and he's succeeding right here on YouTube. His biggest content is this profit, 7,200 2 months ago, and he has made a lot of money from this particular video, not from ad revenue, from the back end of making money on YouTube. And I'm going to be talking about that. Now, the third person right here is Coach Vine. A lot of you guys know Divine. I didn't attend my training, but he sent me a DM on Instagram, right? I read the message, was very direct, told me what he wanted. And of course, I'm interested in people who are actually succeeding, right? Because I will help you to multiply that success, So I told him to set up a Zoom meeting. He set up a Google Meet meeting, sent me the link, and I jumped on that meeting and actually helped him, get him on the issue that he was having with YouTube. And today, I am very proud of Coach Vine and the success that he has recorded. I had a conversation with him a few months ago, and he revealed to me, the strategy that he's using to actually make a lot of money on YouTube beyond the YouTube ad revenue. And it's actually a brilliant way. And guess what? This Coach Vine was, I think, 16 or 17 then. So there's no reason why you that's watching the video right now cannot replicate exactly what he's doing. He has 11,000 subscribers, 196 videos, and his biggest content are this one with that 4,000 views 7 months ago, and this, and so this is amazing. Now, another person that I'm so very proud of is Fofom Mamia, right? He's a comedian. He has 20,000 subscribers right here and 340 videos. I made a video with him recently, and this link right here will take you straight to that video I made with him recently, where I had an interview of how he contacted me, and I sat down with him and guided him step by step on what to do and what not to do. And today he's making way. Look at 7 hours ago, 6.4k views, 9.3k views, 7.2k views, 10k views 1 day ago. So he's racking up videos and making it see he's killing it on YouTube, right? I know how much he makes every single month. So he's killing it on YouTube. Trust me. 109,000 views in 1 month, 80,000 views, and this didn't happen until he came and met me and said, Gerald, is there a way to maximize my revenue on YouTube? I said, yeah, there's a way. I called him, I said, come, and I showed him exactly the strategy I'm using right now. And of course, he's actually very, very, very grateful. He's been very grateful, and I appreciate him. So this is another success story that I've had in these trainings that I've been doing over time. Now, another one is Ife, who owns Online Maths TV. Now, the fact that he has maths right here is not a coincidence. He attended my training last year, last year in Lagos. It was a physical training on YouTube. He came for that training all the way from Warwick, and I asked him, what do you do? He said he's a maths teacher. I said, go on YouTube and start teaching mathematics, and this is the result. Right? Over 21,000 subscribers, 205 videos, and if it does about $600 every single month. Now, he told me that this video, his biggest content right here, as at the time he was at 700,000 views, it has made him about $900. Right now, it's 1.1 million views, and he keeps going on and on. Why? Because of something called SEO, right? SEO is very, very, very important. Now, that is why this video is actually blowing up right now. And the Face channel, I think he got his first sponsored video a few weeks ago. He called me and said, take the job and do it, right? And I don't know how much it was. I told him to take the job. It will give you more publicity and stuff like that. And he's very, very, very grateful. This guy attended my training and he's killing it. He's killing it, like literally killing it, right? And of course, this is my old channel right here. I started from zero over less than 4 years ago. And right now we are 225,000 subscribers. And after 472 videos have been posted, and this is it right here. You see, this is 1 day ago, 4.6k views. 2 days ago, 4.6k views. 3 days ago, 17k views. 4 days ago, you keep going on and on. Look at this video. 11 days ago, almost 200,000 views. 8 days ago, 10,000 views. Keep going. There's a whole lot of videos like this, right? And I'm going to be explaining exactly how you can actually achieve the same feats in my YouTube Money Secrets training that is going to be happening this Saturday, right? And it's important for you to be a part of that training. And it's going to be from 9 a.m. in the morning up until like 4 in the evening. I'm going to be leaving those on. So I'm going to be talking about how to build a new YouTube channel from scratch, how to grow your subscriber base, how to get more views and more subscribers, how to make money on YouTube without monetization. Then I'm also going to be talking about how to earn $1,000 every single month on YouTube. This is actually very important. And of course, I'm going to be talking about keyword research, how to plan your videos before you actually make those videos. It is very important that you do that. I'm going to be talking about tips and tricks to build loyal subscribers and of course get more views. And of course, I'm going to be talking about YouTube automation, which includes a faceless YouTube channel and stuff like that, and a whole lot of other things. And of course, everybody that attends this training is going to be added to my YouTube Money Secrets Telegram channel. It's a different Telegram channel for people in building a business on YouTube. So we can actually begin to we'll continue our conversation and mentorship, and I look at your channel and do all of those things. So all you need to do to be a part of this training is to make payment for the training and send your payments proof to the number that is showing on your screen right now. See, any other number that contacts you in the comment section anyway is actually fake. It's not me and has nothing to do with me. This is the only number. This is the only WhatsApp number that you can contact, and you are sure that you're talking to me until I say otherwise, right? So it's important for you to neglect all the scammers that's going to come in the comment section right now to start giving you numbers or chatting you and telling you to pay money, or trying to do the training or WhatsApp everywhere. And let me mention this again. I do not have 2 Instagram accounts. I do not have 2 WhatsApp numbers. I do not have 2 Facebook accounts. I have nothing that is 2. My only account on Instagram is Online Hustle. It's on your screen right now. Any people that have been creating accounts, trying to scam people, even creating account numbers with my name. So I do not have an OPay account. I do not have a PalmPay account. I don't have a Kuda Bank account, right? I don't have it. When I open one, I will let you know. As at right now, I don't have any. So any account that anybody gives you that has my name on it with those banks, please, those are scammers and it's not from me, guys, right? So because if you actually come and contact me that you paid money to me, and when I check, I see that you paid money to those other people, I would probably be angry with you, right, I will just block you or something, you know. So it's important that you actually you actually stay safe out there. If you chat with a scammer and the scammer scams you, please continue that conversation with the scammer and do not come to now find my real number and come to tell me what happened to you, right? So I've had cases where people actually come to accuse me of scamming them, right? And when I check my conversation, I don't have any prior conversation with these people. And what I do, I just block you because I don't know you, right? You go and continue your conversation with the scammer that scammed you. Do not come to my number. And what some of these scammers do, that after scamming them, do not give them my number to come and chat me, to add them to my group or trainings or something, right? Once you actually contact me, I just block you. You know, it's as simple as that. You know, so continue your conversation with that scammer. So it's important that you stay safe out there. This is the only number that you contact me with, right? Until I say otherwise. So go ahead and make payment for that training. Send your payment proof, you know, to the WhatsApp number. And of course, I'm going to be seeing you in the training on Saturday, guys. So until I see you in my next video or inside of that training, guys, keep winning. And don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.